Hi guys, welcome to my video. In this video I'm going to explain you guys about JRE and what is the major difference between JRE, JVM and JDK, how it works and what is it. Many of you guys must have started learning Java and must have come across the doubt of what is JRE, JVM when you are going to download it from Oracle or websites on the internet, or when you are going to run it on the VM like compilers like VS Code and or IDE like VS Code or anti-gravity. Let's just see over here. What is JRE? The most basic thing is a runtime environment. Like, what is runtime environment you are seeing? It acts as a bridge between Java program. Let's just say you are a human working on road. I know all of you guys watching this are humans, but still, just for the context I'm saying. And there's a river ahead. Now you can indeed swim, but you need to walk over there. Now you will need a bridge. That bridge is JVM, is JRE. Java runtime that survives the space, or that provides the space for any code to be executed. Without this JVM, your code will not be able to execute. Now JRE comes with many programs like JVM, core libraries, and for end users. For end users, you can say any Java apps like Minecraft. Oh yeah, my handwriting is very bad, sorry. Any apps. Okay, Java apps like Minecraft or any Java app, you need JRE for it. Now all the apps come with already downloaded JRE. Okay, so you don't need to go down there and separately download it. Without JRE you will not be able to run your favorite game, Minecraft, you can say. Now I have explained about JVM. What is JVM? Like Java Virtual Machine, I have written over here. JVM is actually the main part, like main engine. Without this, Java program cannot be called this write once run anywhere. This term cannot be used on Java without JVM, which converts this your Java program into .class files. .class file which includes bytecode. Now in the olden days when there was C and C++, there used to be many cross-platform like Windows. Yes, my handwriting is bad. Please ignore that. And Mac OS. Now both of them require two different programs, C and C, same language but different because of the machine code problems. Okay, Visual Machine Code convert every single thing into different phase and then into this. But with the Java, this problem was solved only with Java, as Java converts all into bytecodes. No, not into machine codes, directly into bytecode. With the help of converting this into bytecode, write once and run anywhere term can be applied. Like, let's just say you type one code for Windows in C. That will not work on Mac OS. But you write a code for JRE, Mac OS, and that code will work over there in Linux, Windows, Android, even Android, because it was converted to bytecode.class files over there. Now I will tell you guys about, let's just say you downloaded over there in VS Code. Now how will you save the file, how will you run it, how will you convert it? Now the conversion is simple. It's just file name .java, just .java over here. You just need to write JRE demo and .java and it converted. After the Java files, it will convert Java program to Java C, and Java C will convert .class file over here. Okay, not the machine codes. Remember that part? It converts bytecode, not the machine code or binary code. Over here, that binary code, bytecode, or the .class files, you can see can run on anywhere like Windows, Linux, Mac OS or Android. Okay. Also please remember that these two files are totally different and different codes are there. Now I will tell you about JRE and how does after the conversion into class files, what happens over there and that part. Okay, after first let's just say you converted the .class file, and then the class file loader loads the converted to anywhere without any loss of memory or anything, and conversion to memory right over here. And not any of your code is converted, and all of them are taken from your main function. Now bytecode verifier, if let's just say if any of your code is unable to execute or is creating some garbage value, this bytecode user will simply tell you about this and stop the execution right over there. like very stop big symbol, and stop the execution right over there. So I'll write it cleanly over here. Stop the sorry guys, I think some fun is enough for this video. And then JIT, just in time. This Java interpreter converts and speeds up the code. Like this is because of this bytecode, your code is able to execute at very fast speed. Okay, you know na, Java, after being converted to bytecode to Java, your compiler will take some time over here to here. But because of JIT, this does not take any time and directly goes very fast speed. Okay. Well, I think this is very good. Now, what is JRE? Difference between JVM, JRE and JDK. I started explaining in the first slide. What is difference between JVM, JRE and JDK? Now I will tell you guys about JVM. As I told you about the main engine, the main part by which JRE is able to execute their program. It calls the main function directly. The calling the main function over here. I will use blue pen. Directly calling the main function over here. Memory manages your memory very well, and WRA is only possible and mainly possible because of JVM. If JVM was not in the part of JRE, we will have to type like Windows. I will just write window. I think you guys are smart enough to understand. No, I tried to. And then Mac OS. Yeah, this is not X. This is C. Mac OS. Yes. In the Mac OS, you will have to type only one program, bytecode, and that bytecode will be able to run over there. Yeah, no. JVM is not platform independent. It's platform dependent. If you type in Windows, it will be run on Windows. It cannot run over there. But bytecode can run on this. It's similar for JRE and JDK. Both are platform dependent, not platform independent. Only bytecode is platform independent. Now, what does JRE include? JRE includes this part, JVM. Yes, JVM. This includes JVM and multiple other libraries over here. Okay, but it doesn't include development tools like you can say debuggers, debugging, any tool like that. It does not contain that. It contains your class files like UTL, scanner, UTL, or that one. Yeah, those all files. Now JDK. JDK is the Java development kit. You can download it directly from our website on Google or Chrome or any browser you use. Just go over there, type Java download JDK, and it will contain JRE, compiler, JavaC. Yeah, JavaC, which you save the file with Java name, na. That compiled file will be using this JavaC over here. Needed by developers. Yeah, this is a major tool needed by developers. Debugger, interpreter, all of them are included in this. Now, main thing, JDK include both JRE and JVM. Okay, JDK include all of this. Yes, all of this thing. JRE library set, JVM, all of this. And JRE just include JVM library set. JVM is mainly required for Java, also required for Java apps. JVM is mainly required for Java apps, okay, like Minecraft. You can download it separately. JDK and JVM, JRE both come separately, but JVM is a part of JRE, so you cannot download it separately, even if you want to, because without JRE, what will you do about JVM if there's no space to run the program or a program to convert from? This diagram already explained you guys. Now the class library, the code libraries. I think I showed in the second slide over there. What was class libraries over there? Yes, this Java lang, any major code like dot system, you type that the dot system dot out dot println over there. Yes, that thing is converted to Java UL and Java dot UTL. I think you guys must know about Java dot scanner. Yeah, this side or Java dot this one. It contains all the files. It contains that input files which with you can give the input. Yeah, this is included in this JRE part. And JBC is now what this JDBC. It contains major part like query, MyQL, and naming that, and JND. It is the naming directory, discovering object or data by name. Yeah, you need. Oh yeah, by the way, guys, you know the main part, right? In Java class, when you declare a public class, you need to name the file name and that public class name. Same. Yes. Security. We all know how good security and cryptography of this Java already is. Many people come actually in this Java because of this. Now the key takes away. I'll let's just. I will use green pen or blue pen. I will use green. Now JRE, go ahead, I told you what JRE is. Any OS and can run on any OS or any app. Yeah, this is platform dependent, not platform dependent, right? Bytecode or .class files. One, JVM is the engine or the main part behind by which JRE is able to call with that write once, run anywhere thing. Without JVM, I don't think no one will call it, and or without the bytecodes. Yes, bytecode is the main part, which is it. That class loader, bytecode verifier, I think they are explained with the very good files over there. And how does these tool works? Now I will go over there and tell you guys with the help of what do you say VS Code over there. I will use Java runtime program to show you guys how does bytecode get converted and how does this works. Alright, so let's just say yes. Now we are over here. Now I have already written the program. I will just explain java.java.java g dot file name and java over here. This is the part of, I suppose I explain Java C part. Now this part, now if I now println parts, this is all a part of that java.lang over here. You remember na java.lang? Anyway, if you don't remember that print.ln, all these parts are java.ln. Now let's type the name Java C file name JRE dot Java. Now this will convert into program, and then we will just type Java. Oh, you can say after typing this class file was converted over here, right? Class file was converted over here, and with this class file bytes codes are there. If I click over here, you can see this and this looks completely different, right? This is bytecode of this, all this stuff over here. To protect the main, what do you say, privacy and the security of the system, this byte converted into like this, not directly to machine code. Yes, this byte could get converted into machine code, but before JRE converts into this byte codes. Now I will type over here main parts. You just need to type the program file over here again. See, it's worked. Our hello file was interpreted, our OS name was interpreted, and arch file, yes, this AMD file I'm using, and this window version was, all of this was included. Now I suppose this should be the all of our video. Thank you guys for listening to me, and I hope you guys are clear, and all this program also and this Java file I suppose should have helped you guys. If you are unable to understand, just repeat this video. You guys will get a major help. Thank you.